Hi, I'm Tyler from JRA Cycles, and this is how you set up a fat bike tubeless. You will need tubeless tape, tubeless sealing tape that's wide enough to go from edge to edge on the inside of your rim, a tubeless valve core remover tool, 2 tubeless valves, tubeless sealant, I prefer stands, and a tubeless tire sealant injector will make the job a lot easier. First we're going to put tape on the rim.
And the cows are on the street. If you smile, you are a crib. If you don't say it's very
Yeah, you want to make sure you squeeze out any bubbles if you can.
you are drunk up to
Most of them will squeeze out when you inflate the tire anyway, but it'll help prevent sealant from getting in between the layers of tape.
a bloody cheek. Vanity and presumption. Devils. Living in the park shop lately. Say hey, hey, hey. That sounds a terror.
Without any sealant in the tire, we're going to inflate through the valve.
And you're dying for a beer. So you go behind a tree. And a Star Wars police vehicle pulls up. I say, give me a taxi. Such sense of terror. Such sense of terror.
Without any sealant in the tire, you want to inflate it until it's set all the way around. And the bead is all the way in the rim. Remove the valve core with the valve core removal tool.
If you don't say it's very cold, you are drunk or too old. It's such sense of terror. If the cows are on the street, if you smile, you are a crib. I know. It's such sense of terror. If you don't say it's very cold.
Now we will reinflate. And now the fun part. Clean off the rim, leave it aired up to a high pressure overnight, and then you're all set.
And
Am I supposed to look at the camera for this?
yeah,
All right.
go.
It looks like you're aiming over here. I can't. Okay.
No, I'm aiming right at you.